There was another group of patients that they were bending over to pick up something heavy.
Wow.
And then there was a third group of patients who were generating pressure in their abdomen or chest, sometimes coughing hard, sometimes laughing hard, vomiting hard, pushing for constipation, what we in
Mm.
medicine call a Valsalva maneuver, where you kind of generate pressure in your abdomen or chest. And it seems that for some people with an area of weakness in that bag, that pressure is not well tolerated and can precipitate a leak. So there's some recurring themes that we see come up again and again.